Hi students, welcome back. Now in this lesson we are going to learn how to combine multiple conditions in the where clause of a select statement with OR operator, spelled as OR. OR. An OR operator is used to list the rows which satisfy any one of the conditions among the given or both the conditions. You may see here I have logged on to the demo schema and I hope you now know how I did it. We shall use the table EMP again to solve examples in this lesson. You know this table contains the data about employees. Now let us imagine we face the problem of fetching the rows of employees working in departments 20 and 30. So our problem statement is fetch the rows of employees working in departments 20 and 30. So now for this our select statement will be select star from EMP where dptno equals to 20 or dptno equals to 30. So that will be our statement. Now why we have used OR here? Because there are some employees working in department number 20 and some others in 30, and we wanted to make the list of all of them. So we have used OR so that for some rows of the employees this condition will be satisfied, for some other rows of the employees this condition will be satisfied, and so we have to use OR in this case. I will press Ctrl Enter to show you the execution, and you can see that here is the list of employees who work in either department number 20 or department number 30. Now let us take one more example. Let us list the rows of managers and clerks. The problem is simple. List the rows of managers and clerks. So how will you write it? Select star from EMP where job equals to manager or job equals to clerk. I hope you can reason out the use of OR operator in this second example. Semicolon, and I will execute this, and you see that you now only get the list of employees who work as either manager or clerk. Thus friends, we arrive at the end of this lesson. Proceed to the next to keep your study on. Thanks for watching.